What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my TikTok. I hope you guys had a lovely and wonderful weekend. I know I sure did. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to be piggyback off my theory. And you guys know what my theory is. If you don't, check out my latest videos. So I was doing some more research and more digging into who are these human spliced creatures that our ancestors kept battling. And I think I found something very interesting. I found a family called the Aldry family. And in the Aldry family, there was a William Aldry. Now, William Aldry, he was a landholder. He lived in various places in Europe, and especially Ireland. Now, the story is that him and his family, they kind of got a kick out of hunting these humanoid creatures. Now, remember, I showed you guys in a few videos ago all of Yaqub's breeding sites and how these creatures just start popping up all over Europe, Ireland, Egypt, Africa, Spain, all of the nearby waters. They started popping up, y'all. Now, I found some pictures that will blow your mind. Now, these images are from a place called St. George's Keep. Now, St. George's Keep is a place in the UK, and it is a castle. Now, in this said castle, it was told that in the bottom dungeons, they would keep these beings or creatures locked up there. Take a look at some of these photos, y'all. Now, I know we still have some doubters out there, so I wanted to show you guys this clip of what some of these scientists and elites are doing out here.
And subspecies. Can you guess which two? Let's see if you can guess it right. This happened in a zoo in Salt Lake City, Utah, and they were just successful last year. This guy's a year old. They said for 23 years they've been trying to do this. The zoo officials, working with one of the leading animal kingdom genetics scientists, they had to basically extract protein fiber strand DNA sequencers from each of the different animal species and then tweak them so that they could get a successful embryo, and they finally did. And you may have guessed it right. This is a black bear mixed with a mountain lion, or a cougar is what some people call it. You can see that it definitely got the body shapeage of a mountain lion. You don't see much bear there. You can see the tail is very mountain lion, but the color is from the black bear with a little bit of spots, it looks like. They said the crazy thing is it climbs like a cat, but it will eat salmon and berries like a bear would. And so I think it looks really cool, but I'm just wondering if we've gone too far. What do you think?
Could it be that my theory of Yaqub in a lab creating his own human species race? I'm getting closer and closer to the truth because, as you guys can see in that clip, these people are doing these types of experiments. They are splicing animals and human DNA together to create concoctions and creatures and humanoid races, y'all. Now, in this photo right here, you guys, this is the modern St. George's Keep. They actually turned this building into apartments. Y'all, we can't make this shit up. They literally turned this bestiary place into apartment complexes now. So people living in there, they don't have a clue what that place used to be. Now, just as foul as these people are about building apartments over top of something so wicked, wouldn't it also be believable that after they created said creatures, and if they didn't get the result they wanted, they would just let these things free amongst regular people? They had no care. You guys, it's literally no different when these people put parking lots over our ancestors' graves. It's no different. But I'm starting to believe that our ancestors were battling these things all along, which is why the Most High, I believe that's why the Most High sent his 10 commandments and his prophets down to earth, because he saw this going on. And you want to know something else? I believe we're still battling these same creatures. But remember, our memory has been wiped because things have been taken out. History has been erased. So when you have a new generation and you don't raise them up in which they should go, they go astray. Even the Bible says that. So y'all, that's all I got for you guys tonight. Let me know what you guys think. Put your comments in the comment section and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. We want to stay in the algorithm. That's all for tonight, and I'll catch you all in the next one.